How's it going, everybody? It's Christian out here with Eat Like an Apex. This afternoon we are here in Angel Cruz Park in Stockton, California. This is a spot that I've been to back in the day when I used to stay in Stockton. This place is a place where people come out here and they cook the food for the community. It's Asian style food with, you know, like papaya salad, kebabs, sausages, and they just kind of have a barbecue spread. And throughout the park they have different vendors here that kind of serve like veggies and other things, drinks and all kinds here. That said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now.
Okay, so we have papaya salads, $5 a bag. Lao-style pork sausages, beef sticks, and sticky rice are all $1 each. And all of our drinks, Thai tea, Thai coffee, sodas, water, are all just $1 a cup.
Okay.
We did have egg rolls that were $3, $4, but we're all sold out.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you have the papaya salad. So I will try one papaya salad.
One papaya.
And then you said you had sausages?
Yeah. Oh, this is Angel Cruz Park.
No, but
our spot, like, not everybody really has a name. We're just called the Laos people at the end.
The Laos people. Thank you.
So I got one papaya, 4 sausages, 1 rice, and 2 beef.
Yes.
Your total will be just $12. Any drinks for you today? Homemade Thai tea, Thai iced coffee, sodas, water.
Oh my goodness! You know, give me the you said homemade Thai tea.
Oh heck yeah! Can I get your name again?
Chris.
Chris.
Cool. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
Welcome to Angel Cruz Park.
Angel Cruz Park. I know that sun's kind of glaring at us right now, but you're the main chef here. You guys just kind of doing this family-oriented spot here,
That's
barbecue.
Right, man. We got to keep the tradition alive for the people in the community here.
And they said this was the spot, like this, the one with the lion.
That's let me see what today. Today is a weekday, so it's a little bit slower than usual.
Yeah, right on, man.
But when the weekends come by, you can definitely.
Those lines get packed on. It gets pretty crazy.
Yeah, they do get really long.
Okay,
really
cool.
Do, man. So when you want to drop by, make sure you come at the correct time.
Right, because you start running out of your stuff, huh?
That's right, dude.
Man,
yep.
Cool, man.
And beat the lines, man. Beat
the lines.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Lynn, man.
Lynn, nice to meet you, Lynn.
All right, brother.
Yeah.
Take care.
The sausages are like on point, man. A lot of people come get those, huh?
Yes, they do, man. Papaya salad. That's right. Papaya salad is what people come here, what it was known first.
Yeah. All right. So he said it there. The number 2 ranking is these sausages here. Number 1 is a papaya salad. Is what people get in line for. Actually, we're in line for papaya salad as well. Actually, everything. We picked up a little bit of everything for this here.
4 sausages, 1 rice, 2 beef with veggies. Here you go. So here's your Thai tea.
Okay.
4 sausage. Oh, okay, I can get him some sausages right now. Can I get your name? Nathaniel.
How long have you guys been doing this?
Like 30 years.
30 years.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, just us right here. There might have been a couple of people that started a couple years before us.
Right.
I start this one to sell.
She was pregnant with me.
6 months in here.
6 months when you started selling here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's incredible.
Right now, how many?
30 something years, huh?
30.
Oh wow. That's amazing. So this place started, she said, over 30 years ago. They started a community of families, of people just starting to cook and prepare food for families, and it just kind of turned into a community event. They're on Yelp and everything too. I saw that on Yelp. And all that stuff.
That was the weirdest thing. Someone made a Yelp.
It's on Yelp.
Right? I'm like, we're not even legit. We're not legit business. But they're gonna make a Yelp for us anyways.
It was on Yelp, and it got some good stars in there too. This is the spot right here.
How you like spicy? 4 pepper?
4 pepper, yeah. Believe it or not, I did one time. I came here a long time ago. I did 15.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How you eat then?
I couldn't.
Almost died.
I almost died. Yeah. So this is the papaya queen here, the grandma that kind of started this 30 plus years of doing this.
In here, Laos.
Yeah, in
only
Laos.
Me.
Only you. And
More,
so
only one.
Right.
All that Cambodian. That side all.
Okay, that's Cambodian. This is the Laos spot, but the papaya salad spot. This is the number 1 ordered item here is the papaya salad. Then the sausages are number 2. They had said, but here she's preparing the papaya salad and getting just all those different mixtures in here that's involved with it.
We take Venmo. There's no limit. Okay. You don't need to go to the bank.
So she's just slicing up that papaya, getting different little strands there, and that's the kind of the process. You have to shred it, and she does this everything by hand, not machine. Been doing it for such a long time, so she knows what she's doing. There's Sean right there. The whole entire.
Is this your papaya? We'll get everything else out of here.
Don't let me know.
I already had.
Nobody, so.
Oh really? Oh yeah.
No, close.
What's up, man? JC up in the house here. Hi. Hello.
My friend Alexis.
Hi, Alexis.
Christian is
Well,
white.
Okay, here we go. This is the taste here.
This is how you like.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing left, nothing more.
Nothing more. That's perfect. Oh yeah.
Brings you back to the old days.
Yeah, good. That is authentic. Did y'all eat at Shami's?
I did.
You did?
Next to the chair.
In front of you guys, and then you guys can be in it too. There, see? There they are. Too late. They're in it. This is JC and his friend Alexis.
Hi.
And they came out to come hang out with us today, or just for this afternoon. So appreciate them coming by here. All right, so I have the sausages here and the beef sticks. If I were to just kind of lay them out. Oh, and I got sticky rice too. And they have pickled cabbages and carrots, and they have sausages. All right, here we go. Bam. Let me go ahead and try that Thai tea first before I go for any of the food here. Kind of parched, but this is the Thai tea. Oh yeah, that is some nice sweetened Thai tea. You taste that condensed milk. You taste that tea. It's iced. It's refreshing. Delicious drink here. Okay, look at those sausages here. These are the sausages that's served here at Angel Cruise. Spider-Man. All right. Oh man, check that out. That is just like beautifully charred, beautifully barbecued, grilled, and you just know it's gonna be sweet and meaty and delicious. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Oh man. Oh yeah. That sausage is just meaty and full of flavor, man. You got that chunks of cube pieces of fat and some sausagey meaty bits in there with some chilies. I mean, it's not spicy, but there's so much flavor in that sausage, man. So it kind of reminds me of like longanisa, which is a Filipino named sausage. Not as sweet, but this is definitely still sweet. And that texture, man, that texture of the sausage is just something that I often crave, man. It's just so flavorful. I think the next bite I'm gonna go ahead and do is try that bite with some sticky rice. Okay, so let's just go with my hands, okay? So I'm gonna get some of that sticky rice, and I'm gonna have it with that sausage now. Let's just go. Let's go. All right, take a bite of that sausage again. No, okay. Taste it with the rice. Oh, that sticky rice. Great combination with the sausage. I'm gonna chase it more with some sausage too. Yeah. That is excellent. You guys want a sausage? You want a sausage? No? Let me just do this. I'm gonna go ahead and actually use my chopsticks for the cabbages and carrots, and just like just throw that last bit of sausage, greasy, fatty, good, juicy goodness in my mouth. All right. Yeah. That's nice and pickled, nice and sweet, and the texture of that, I like the texture because you get that like kind of fatty piece sausage with that nice crispy cabbage and that sweetness from the pickled cabbage. Great combination. The next thing I picked up here, the skewers. Maybe some beef skewers. Okay, we got the skewers here. May the force be with you. Let's take a bite. Go.
How was that?
I like it. Yeah. They grill it perfectly, a sweet flavor to it. Get a little bit more of that sticky rice. So try some of that sticky rice with my beef stick. Just a piece of that. That sticky rice I mean, you can have it with it or without it. It doesn't matter. I don't usually do sticky rice that much, but I think it's sufficient for a scene like this to have sticky rice. So I'm breaking open that papaya salad right now. We're gonna try the papaya salad right now.
Yeah.
Jason's gonna have a bite with me. Cheers.
Cheers. The spice kicks in a little bit later. It's not right away.
Actually, it's not that spicy. I didn't add too many chilies in there. There is a tinge of spice to it. I did put 4 peppers. At one time I did 15 way back then. Papaya salad, it's one of those things where like I love it, but you really have to acquire the fishy saucy flavor in it. There's that tomatoes, the lime, the papaya, and those vermicelli noodles. The mix up of that, and once you have it a couple times, or for some of you might have it the first time, you'll like it. I loved it the first time. There's a reason why this is the #1 sold item here at this vendor. It's delicious, flavorful, the lime, and I love the spice. Yeah, so good. Let me take another bite of that papaya salad. Oh, I love the addition of the vermicelli noodles in there. Yeah, that gives it that noodly effect to it. I love the crispiness of the papaya salad. Oh yeah, I love that citrusy lime flavor as well. Yeah, that is good. That's delicious. Really? Thumbs up to the spot here at Angel Cruise Park. Thumbs up to Auntie who made the papaya salad. Okay, I picked up a green drink as well here. Let me give it a sip.
Thank you.
Oh, that's like melony. That's like a melon flavored sweet condensed milk refreshing iced drink. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, JC and Alexis.
Double portion.
All right, so there's one more spot we're gonna check out. It's a cane sugar, I believe, that they serve here, kind of recommended by the Loud Truck. Hopefully they're still open. Let me see here. You guys still open? You guys still open? Sugar cane?
1 cup, I have 1 cup.
1 cup? Yeah, just 1 cup. Yeah, 1 cup. Yes, okay, they were closing, but luckily they're gonna make like 1 cup for me. Okay, good, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, cane sugar. Okay, the cane sugar drink here is what the Lao spot had recommended. They said, hey, you gotta check these guys out. The cane sugar is just on point, it's sweet. I wanted to catch them. They're actually packing up, getting ready to leave, but I was able to catch them before they left, so. Yeah, I took this is the last cup here. Here we go.
Okay, try it. Sweet.
Whoa,
Very sweet.
very sweet.
Yeah, I know that.
That is like extreme. I mean, they're talking about how sweet it was. That's like an extreme sweetness. If you're a sweet fan, this is the drink to get. It is sweet. It is refreshing. It's iced, and you taste that pure cane sugar because it's. I believe you press it, huh?
Yeah, I press it.
Fresh press. The machine. Oh, they have a presser machine. We didn't get to see it in action. There's a cane sugar strand in here that they use to press the pure cane sugar. Yeah.
Not very sweet.
Very good. Sweet, right?
Very sweet.
Oh, super sweet,
Too
right?
sweet for me.
It's too sweet, okay?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Woo! Sweet, huh? We just made it back from Angel Cruise Park in Stockton, California. If you're looking for papaya salad or barbecued sausage in an Asian street food inspired theme, that's the place to go to in Stockton, California. Angel Cruise Park. They have it on Yelp. It's a spot where they serve and prepare the food right in front of you. You definitely get the feel of community there in the park because it is. They are families that kind of run each. Who doesn't love to barbecue and eat at the park? So why not put the two together? So that's about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing.